Google I/O 2026 is almost here, and all eyes are on VEO 4. But before the internet declares it the king of AI video, there are 8 major problems Google needs to fix first. Let's open the case file. Number 1. Physics, the oldest enemy of AI-generated videos. This looks cinematic, but when you study it closely, evidences are exposed. Water on her face doesn't move even when character turns her head, and on her chest, water movement looks not realistic. It's obvious. The moment chaos enters the frame, the illusion cracks, and viewers notice it instantly. That's the real challenge for VEO 4, to build a believable world. Number 2. Fake 4K. VEO 3.1 don't have native 4K. VEO 3.1 videos feel more of like upscale magic than true native rendering. Once you zoom in, evidences show soft textures, waxy faces, and details blurred during motion. VEO 4 needs real cinematic 4K, straight from the model itself. Number 3. Longer scene generation. 10-second clips are no longer impressive. Creators need full emotional scenes and uninterrupted cinematic sequences in one go. VEO 4 needs stable 30 to 60-second video generations, or I'll consider VEO 4 as a criminal. Number 4. Audio and visual synchronization. VEO already shocked people with native dialogue generation, but the visuals still don't react naturally to sound. Fast music and explosions should affect camera energy, but they don't. Number 5. Real camera control. Prompting cinematic shots still feels random. VEO 3.1 has better control, but camera movement adherence built within the prompt will be appreciated. Number 6. Prompt intelligence. Add too many actions or moving elements, the model quietly ignores half your instructions. VEO 4 needs deeper reasoning, so chaotic scenes remain coherent from beginning to end. Number 7. Continuity between shots. Cup on a table disappears. Lighting changes without reason. Background objects teleport. If Google truly wants VEO 4 to become a filmmaking tool, it needs storyboard continuity built directly into the system. Number 8. Character consistency. VEO 3.1 is good, but VEO 4 should improve character identity during motion, or else long-form AI filmmaking is dead on arrival. These 8 improvements are required. On May 19th, we shall get our answers.